Namaskar bachcho. As you all know, we were on the population composition chapter, and in our previous lecture we had discussed about the age its sex pyramid and expanding, constant and decline of the population. So now today we are continuing with the topic, and next topic is aging population. So in the previous description of the constant and declining population, we had discussed about the structure of the biographical जो आपका pyramid था, हमने उसका discussion किया था. Now in this aging population, you can understand with the meaning of that this word aging population, definitely it is related to the old elder population. So in aging population, look at the diagram which is I have shown here. In this diagram, you can see in the lower level of the growth of population, you can see here that the low level is found in the population growth rate. New birth rate is almost zero, or you can say it is very low as comparison to the elder population. That means younger population is decreasing and elder population is increasing. This kind of figure you can see in some developed countries of the world. So in the aging population, elder population has been increased as comparison to the younger population. इनकी reason क्या हो सकता है? These countries, they are not ready to accept the new generation as any, that means the new generation birth rate is going to be down as comparison to the down, and as comparison to the older age population has been increased because of the medical facilities, or you can say that means they are not ready to accept the new birth. तो generally younger population जो है वो घट रही है as comparison to the older population, as birth rate is become down and the proportion of the children in the population is declining. So in the most of the developed countries you can see this kind of figure. Life expectancy has been increased as a result of the of which the percentage of population is higher, or again group of age group of people has been increased. So that means birth rate become down and death rate and the increasing elder population is going to be increased. तो birth rate तो यहाँ पर down हो रहा है, और जो older population है वो कभी ना कभी तो खत्म होगी. That means they will be still there because their life expectancy is high. That means the people, those who are having older age, they are survive still now. So this is the description of aging of population. Children, let's continue with another topic with rural urban population. Look children, rural and urban are the two important words of any kind of growth rate of any population. ये दो वर्ड जो हैं, इट इज डेफिनेटली डिपेंड ऑन द डिफरेंट ऑफ डेवलप्ड एंड इंडरडेवलप्ड, और यू कैन से डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज. डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज, यू नो दैट यूएसए, रशिया, यूरोप, दीज आर द डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज, एंड इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, एशियाटिक कंट्रीज आर इन द डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज. सो रूरल अर्बन कंपोजिशन ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इज डिपेंड ऑन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डेवलप्ड एंड डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज. यू कैन सी दिस काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन इन बोथ द कंट्रीज. सो बोथ कैटेगरीज, रूरल और अर्बन का जो डिफरेंस है वो आपको डेवलप्ड और अनडेवलप्ड कंट्रीज में अलग अलग देखने को मिलता है. तो लेट्स सी व्हाट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स. देन रूरल मीन्स द वेयर द इकोनॉमी इज डिपेंड ऑन द प्राइमरी एक्टिविटीज, means agriculture, farming, etc. And where the urban population, their work is not depend on the primary sectors, or you can say it's not based on the primary sector. There are non-primary activities is been increased in these areas, that like secondary and tertiary activities. You know the example of tertiary and secondary activities means the population are busy in services, industrial work and all. So these are the two words, services, industries, or you can say tertiary sector areas. The work start maintaining by like hospital work, doctory, teaching and other kind of tertiary activities are doing in urban population as comparison to the rural. So the basic difference between rural population, where the population is depend on agriculture, or you can say primary activities, and here the population is doing work non-primary activities like secondary, tertiary and others. So children, अब ये जो डिफरेंस है ये डेवलप्ड और डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज में भी अलग अलग है. फॉर यू कैन से दैट इन डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज रूरल एंड अर्बन डिवाइडेशन इज बेस्ड ऑन द मेल एंड फीमेल. इन रूरल एरियाज males are more than females, and in urban areas definitely females are more than males. Why this has happened in rural areas? Because males are more than females, because you know there are so many work which is doing by males only. You can see you can take an example of farming areas, or you can take example of corn. एरियाज यू कैन सी इन अमेरिका, कॉर्न के जो बड़े बड़े गार्डन्स हैं, जो बड़े बड़े बाग हैं, वहां पर फीमेल के कंपैरेटिवली मेल्स मशीनों को चलाते हैं. इंडस्ट्रीज एरिया जो मशीनरी एरियाज है वहां पर मेल्स डोमिनेटिंग ज्यादा है, बिकॉज दे आर रिक्वायरिंग मेल्स एक्टिविटी. मैनुअल एक्टिविटीज ऑफ फीमेल हैज बीन डिक्रीज इन रूरल एरियाज. बड़े बड़े फार्म्स में मेल्स ही वर्क करते हैं. And what happened in the urban areas? Definitely female are doing the work in the country, in companies or in industries, and males are migrated from the areas to different areas, where the females are surviving in the urban areas as comparison to the males. Males are migrated to do work in another areas. So you can see this kind of difference in developed countries. Now, what happened in the developing countries like India and other countries? They can say that in rural areas, you know that female are more working as comparison to males. Males यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं? They migrated from rural area to the urban area for doing job, for other activities. And what happened with female? आपने देखा होगा बड़े बड़े इंडिया का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं हम कि इंडिया के अंदर बड़े बड़े एग्रीकल्चर लैंड्स पर फीमेल डूइंग वर्क, जो वहाँ पर कटाई का काम है, हार्वेस्टिंग वर्क है, एवरीथिंग मैक्सिमम female you can see in the agriculture land areas as comparison to the male. और मेल वहां से क्या कर रहे हैं? माइग्रेट करते हैं अर्बन एरियाज में फॉर द जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड ऑल. And what happened in the urban areas? Male dominating है, because males are maximum in the as comparison to female. Male work ज़्यादा करते हैं, females घर पर रहती हैं या they are doing some work, another work, but males as comparison to the females more होते हैं, because females are they came from village or rural areas to the urban areas also for doing work. So these are the conditions you can see in the developed and developing countries. They are totally different. What happened in the developed countries and what happened in the developing countries. So these conditions are you can see in the rural urban composition of population. यानी rural urban population में जो difference आपको देखने को मिलेगा, this is totally differ in developed and developing countries. So